Hello friend, today we are going to download and install Sublime Text Editor. For that we have to search Sublime Text Editor. Now after that hit enter and go to the first link. Okay, now here you can see download option and you can download from here also. I just click here, it will start downloading. Okay, you can see after downloading we will see how we can install. Okay, now after download just click on show in folder, and after that I just minimize this, and here you can see Sublime Text Editor. Just double click on it. Now click on yes. Now this is the location. I just click on next. You can change. Okay, leave it as it is. Add to Explorer context. Just click on add, and now click on next, and after that click on install. It will take some time. Now after that click on finish, and here we have to search Sublime. You can see we have, just double click on it, it will start Sublime. Okay, now this is the interface of Sublime. I just zoom it. Here you can create file, open folder, and after that you can code your program, and after that you can run also. So that's it for today's video. In this video we see how we can download and install Sublime Text Editor. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.